Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 2-liter 420d M Sport Auto, finished in mineral gray with a refined black leather interior. A sporty, executive coupe with the practicality of a 5-door and the sharp looks of a true M Sport machine. At the front, the aggressive M Sport styling is immediately clear, with the full M Performance body kit, blue kidney bars, and high beam assist headlights adding style and function. At the side, the Gran Coupe sits on 19-inch alloys, complemented by blue M Sport brake calipers and a flowing coupe-like roofline. Electric folding mirrors, subtle curves, and the signature M Sport detailing give it a confident, low-slung stance. At the rear, you'll find LED tail lights, a sculpted bumper, front and rear parking sensors, and an electric-powered tailgate, making daily use both sleek and practical. Powered by a responsive 2-liter diesel engine, this 420d offers an engaging drive with strong efficiency. Matched with BMW's smooth automatic gearbox and the M Sport Plus package, stepping inside, the cabin blends luxury with performance. You'll enjoy heated electric front seats with driver memory, ambient lighting, and a premium finish throughout. The standout Harman Kardon sound system delivers rich audio to match the refined drive. In terms of tech, this 4 Series features a crystal-clear navigation system, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and intuitive controls throughout the driver-focused cockpit. In the back, the rear seats offer solid comfort and enough space for passengers, making the Gran Coupe a stylish yet practical choice. In the boot, the hatchback-style opening provides easy access to a large cargo area, perfect for weekend bags or everyday use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration YH67LXK to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.